If you want to start selling PDFs today, this right here is most definitely the fastest way. Right here, I am logged into my PDF Vault account, and I'm going to show you exactly what it takes to start selling PDFs immediately. As you can see, I have a PDF right here called the 14-Day Reconnection Protocol. It's to help wives save their marriage. If their marriage is slipping and they want to save their marriage, this PDF will help them do that. So it tackles a very serious problem and a very emotional problem. So therefore, if you can help save somebody's marriage, you can almost guarantee that they're going to purchase that PDF. So let me go ahead and show you how this works. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the link right here, my sales page link within my PDF Vault account. I'll click copy, I'll paste it right here, and just like that, I have my beautiful sales page right here that's already ready to go. And if I scroll down, you will be able to see all of the selling points for this beautiful sales page. This right here is why people are not making sales online, selling PDFs, because they don't have a sales page just like this. At the end is $27 and they'll make the purchase, or they can click that button right there. Your marriage is not over, it's waiting for you to choose it. All of the sales copy is professionally written and extremely persuasive to convert into a sale. So if I go over here and check out the thank you page, I'll click copy right there on the thank you page and I'll paste it right there. This is what the buyer sees after they make a purchase. They will be able to download the PDF right here immediately. I even added an extra button right here just in case I want people to subscribe to a YouTube channel or click an extra button that I may put right there. I can edit that button and make it say whatever I want. But it says here's exactly what to do right now. It gives the buyer instructions on exactly what to do once they have purchased the PDF. So the beautiful thing about PDF Vault is you can just go in and easily click edit sales page right here. You can upload your logo right there. So if I wanted to build a brand around, let's say dating and relationships or love or whatever it may be, I can build a whole brand because my logo can be right here. Once I scroll down right here, this is going to be my pay link. So if I want to accept payments right here with this PDF, I need a checkout link. So if I copy this checkout link right here and I click paste right here, as you can see, it's the $27 14-day reconnection protocol. So once a person makes a purchase, all I got to do, of course, is put the pay link. Once they make a purchase, they are redirected to the thank you page that you just seen. And that's all it takes to start selling PDFs. Now, a lot of people do this the hard way and they do it with third parties. And when I say third parties, I mean like StanStore, Gumroad, and all of these platforms. But the problem is, whenever you are doing that, you don't have this beauty right here. You don't have a beautiful sales page. You don't have a beautiful persuasive sales page that's going to help you convert viewers into sellers. And you also don't have a beautiful thank you page as well. So another thing that you don't have is a mock-up. Now let me click this download mock-up right here. Watch what happens when I click this. Once I download the mock-up, I get a beautiful sales image for this specific PDF. Now, the good thing about this is it doesn't matter what PDF you are selling from PDF Vault. You will gain access to a beautiful sales mockup to be able to promote that PDF. Now, before I continue on, if you want to give PDF Vault a try yourself, and if you want to start selling PDFs today, what I want you to do is I want you to tap the link in the description of this video. There are limited spots when it comes to joining PDF Vault, so you want to tap the link immediately and go ahead and start selling PDFs if that's something that you would like to do. As you can see, this sales image right here is meant to drive traffic via paid ads. So if I put this on Facebook or Instagram, this is how my sales are going to be made, because I have a beautiful mock-up right here that displays exactly what the buyer is going to get, and I have the price as well. So if 100 people are clicking on an ad that already displays the price, I mean, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to know that they already see the price. So that means it's a higher chance and a higher likely that they'll make a purchase of the 14-day reconnection protocol. So over here, you get the sales page and you can edit it. You get the thank you page, you can edit it. You get the mock-up and you can go ahead and use that for promo. You can check out your analytics right here. You can download the PDF itself right here. You can also put your Facebook tracking information right here to track sales. Not only that, inside of the vault, there's 4 training videos on how to add your checkout link, how to connect your email list, how to go ahead and add your Facebook pixel, and also how to run paid ads. All of this right here is already here waiting for you. And that right there is the power of using PDF Vault to start selling PDFs, not a week from now, but immediately today. Now, another thing, this lead capture right here, I can capture emails right here. So let me click right here and let me go ahead and show you how the email capture works. So not only are you able to start selling PDFs immediately, but you're also able to collect leads as well and build a massive email list. If somebody clicked the button right there, the call to action button, one quick step before you continue, they enter their email, they continue to check out. Not only are you building an email list, but you're also in position to make sales around the clock. Now you can connect third-party email services such as ConvertKit, which go by Kit now. You can build your email list and you can also export your leads as well. So let's say if you have 200 people that go through and check out your PDF and only 50 people purchase, well, you can export all of those people whether they purchased or not. So if I go back here to my dashboard and I uncheck it and then I go ahead and refresh right here, what happens now is whenever people click the button, they are directed directly to the Stripe checkout page. And again, this can be Stripe, PayPal, or any checkout company to collect your payments. And of course, those payments go directly into your bank account. So you can do this either way in any way that you want. So let me show you my promo over here. How do you start getting sales? It's simple. With a PDF like this, you just go ahead and put the beautiful mock-up right here in everybody's Facebook and Instagram accounts. So as soon as they open up Facebook or Instagram, whoever you are targeting, they're going to see your beautiful mock-up right here. And the good thing about it, it's a standout because they are not used to seeing things that look this good. Most people are going to Canva and creating something that don't look half as good, and they're wondering why it's not working. People are wondering why they're not making sales selling PDFs. I may have this PDF that has a planner or a journal attached. I may have a PDF that's an ebook. I may have a guide, just like the reconnection protocol. And you wonder why you're not making sales. That's because you don't have mock-ups. These are very professional, persuasive creatives that are meant to make sales around the clock. I've personally had mock-ups like this converted like 30%. I mean, every 10 people that hit this page right here purchased a $27 to $47 item. So I have really crushed it. Now, not only that, I have made so much money selling PDFs, and I mean like millions and millions of dollars since 2009. If you check the screen right here, these are all PDF payments, $97 premium PDFs. And that's another thing. Whenever you are selling PDFs, don't just sell any kind. You want to sell super premium PDFs that solve a problem, just like the 14-day reconnection protocol and things of this nature. So all of the $97 sales that you just seen, again, they all come from premium PDFs. Now, if you are promoting on Facebook, if you're promoting something like this, what I personally do is I aim for exactly who the target is. This PDF is for women who are married, who want to save their marriage. Do I know what marriages are struggling? Absolutely not. But what I do know is that a majority of marriages are struggling. So what I'm personally doing is I'm personally targeting women from 25 to 55. So that big 30-year gap right there, I'm targeting that gap right there because what I am doing is I am putting this in the face of married women. And on Facebook, you can choose to only target women who are married. So that's what I'm doing with something like this. So can you imagine the conversion rate on a beautiful product like this that is right here in their feeds? Now, do they have to click on it? Absolutely not. Could some of them get mad at it? Absolutely so. But a lot of people will only get mad if, the shoe fits. But those who actually want help will simply click on the ad and learn more about the 14-day reconnection protocol or whatever PDF it may be. So what I am simply saying here is, if you got everything you need and you can start selling PDFs not a week from now, not a month from now, But right now, today, by tapping into PDF Vault, if you can go ahead and have your sales page, your thank you page, your mockups, your PDFs, all of your tracking, and be ad ready within an hour, if you can do that, there is no use to waiting weeks or even a month to start selling PDFs. Now, I was checking here on YouTube, all of these people talking about selling PDFs, this guy talking about Gumroad and the long strategy that takes months and months and months. A few of them, like I don't just make YouTube videos, I also analyze other people's videos just to see what they're talking about. But as you can see, a lot of people are talking about ChatGPT with Gumroad. It does not work. Absolutely not. ChatGPT, creating PDFs with ChatGPT, going over to Canva, it doesn't work. I mean, a lot of these people just want content ideas, so they are just creating absolutely anything. And I know that guy right there. So if you want to go ahead and check out other people's videos, you're free to do that, and you're going to see that they're all talking about the very same strategy. So what I am telling you, and me, a person that's been selling PDFs since 2009, going on 20 years, I'm telling you that if you want to make this serious money, and I mean the difference between making $100 a month and $10,000 a month, if you want to make the serious money, you need the complete package. You just don't need a PDF, but you need the sales page, you need the mock-up, and you also need persuasive copy. Now, what that means is, of course, the caption, and you can easily upload, let's say, your mock-up to ChatGPT and say, give me a very persuasive sales caption that I'll use for Facebook and Instagram ads for this specific product. You will have some sales copy that will convert so good, it'll absolutely blow your mind. So if you are somebody that wants to sell PDFs and you are sick and tired of all of these fake gurus on here and all of these people that just want to create content just to have content, if you are tired of things that's not working, PDF Vault positions you to go ahead and lock in and start selling premium PDFs immediately. Again, whenever you are working with a premium PDF service like PDF Vault, spots are definitely limited. So if you want to tap in and go ahead and grab a spot, tap the link in the description of this video once again and go ahead and lock in. PDF Vault is something that I wanted to create to change the games when people are wanting to sell PDFs, people like yourself, of course. So this is something that I wanted to create in order to really help set you free. If I can even go ahead and unlock a few sales a day for you and really help you and position you to get a few sales a day, that's like, just really think about it. That right there, I'm sure will help out a whole lot. I'm sure you would agree with that. Now, the reconnection protocol right here is $27. Let's just say $27 times with Facebook and Instagram ads. Let's say I get 16 sales in a month. I got $432 extra in a month, and I don't personally run most of the time any more than $10 a day for an ad. Sometimes I'll bump it up a little bit just to increase my sales, of course. But most of the time, $5, $10 a day will get you going. Imagine spending $5 a day and making $27 back. Well, that's a $22 profit. So if you can make a sale a day, you'll make right around $660 a month. So the sky is the limit when you can simply copy a link, go ahead over here, paste it right here into the website destination, set up your sales tracking right here, track those sales, sit back, relax, and watch the income flow. There's no better feeling than making this happen, and PDF Vault positions you to make that happen. I didn't want to make this video sound like a sales video, but what I did want to do is I wanted to introduce you to something that you may or may not be familiar with, and that's something that I wanted to help revolutionize the PDF space. So this is literally like going from a flip phone to an iPhone when it comes to selling PDFs. It is night and day compared to the quality of PDFs that you will be able to sell versus creating them on your own, and also the sales conversions that you will be able to make once you have PDFs that are premium. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be putting out a lot more videos about selling PDFs. Not just this one right here. I mean, we got all types of PDFs that we can sell. Check out this one right here. This beautiful PDF right here is called Win Your Ex Back, the 21-day psychology blueprint. This is a $47 PDF right here. Got checklists, worksheets, and everything. I mean, if you are somebody that really want to crush it selling PDFs, again, take it from somebody that's been doing this for nearly 20 years. And whenever you do that, whenever you continue to watch my PDF videos, you're going to see so many different strategies. I'm going to make videos about promoting them on Pinterest. I'm just going to have a lot of fun doing it because I have a lot of fun launching PDFs in different niches, setting a $5 to $10 a day budget, and watching sales flow in. If you are somebody that wants to tap into that lifestyle, tap the link in the description, go ahead and get started, and I will catch you very soon in my next video.